Top of the afternoon, everybody. So we've got a BMW X5 here. Can read a lot about noisy tailgate issues on these E70s. So that's 2007 through 2013. If you look here, actually, the upper and lower hatch are actually adjustable on these. So a lot of times you'll either have play in the lower hatch. Behind here, there's two 12mm screws. You can actually adjust these. That'll take the play up in the bottom of the hatch. What happened on mine here, actually, if you take a look, is right here. This latch for the top one. You can see the bolts have loosened up. They're just two 13mm bolts. All you want to do is tighten those up. If you push this all the way forward, it'll actually sit a little bit tighter than what it once was, I'm sure. And take it for a test drive. That should fix all your issues, and she should be nice and quiet like the factory intended. Thanks guys, have a great day. Like and subscribe to my videos if you found this helpful.